Hey, what's up? It's Dave with my app of the week from the App Store with AT&T. Okay, I love this one. If you listen to Dave's Dirt on KDWB, you know I love celebrity gossip, and my favorite TV show right now is TMZ. Guess what? There's an app for that. It's the TMZ app. Check this out. Okay, you click on the little TMZ logo there, and it opens up and gives you all of the current Hollywood gossip, all the dirt you need to know. By the time you see this, it'll be old, but right now I'm finding out that Jesse James and Kat Von D are swapping spit, okay? You got to find out about things like this, and there's an app for it. It's TMZ, and great thing about this, it's a free app from the App Store for your iPhone from AT&T. It's my app of the week. Check it out. It's TMZ.